Hello everyone, the name is Sihlangu. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a task box within a network diagram. So the layout of my page is a portrait. I need to change it to be a landscape. I come up here, click layout, click the option which is written orientation, click landscape. Then it has changed. Then I'll zoom my page to 50 so I can be able to work. Then I come up here, click insert, click the table, then highlight the number of columns and rows you need. I need 2 columns and 3 rows. Click them. Then I need to minimize the table. I come to the square with my cursor. Then 2 arrows will show up, one pointing upwards, one pointing downwards. Then I left click it continuously. Then I drag it to the left or to the right. Then I let go. Done. Now I need to merge the 2 cells on top, so I just highlight from there like that. But to some this might be difficult, so I'm going to show you how to highlight them, how to merge them the most simplest way. So I'm just going to type T on the first one and then T on the second column. Then I'm going to highlight T and T like that. Left click, merge cells. My cells are merged. Then I can delete this. Then on the bar on top you're gonna type in your task name, right? So I'm just gonna type task name, but as for you'll type in the task name. Then I'm gonna highlight everything, left click, right click, then click where it's written center. Then I'm gonna type in the start date, and day, task ID, due, for the duration. Then I come to the small square to make everything to be visible and on the same. Okay, I'm done like that. So I need to move my table to come here. I just come to the 4 arrows, one pointing up, down, left, from right. Left click continuously, then drag it to the desired position. I need it to come here. There it is. Now I want to insert an arrow, so I'm gonna come up here, click insert, click shape, then choose an arrow like that. Then come back to the page and double click on the page, anywhere in the page. Then the arrow will appear like that. There it is. Okay, now as you saw clearly, my arrow was not visible. It was like this. So in order to make it visible, if you have such a problem, just come right here. You press left click continuously. Then you shift your mouse to right or to the left. Then it will like that. Done. Now I need to make my arrow a little bit smaller like that. Just come to the corner, then the arrow will appear left, right, pointing up and down. You make it a little bit smaller like that. Then you move it to come to the four arrows with your cursor. You left click continuously. Then you take it to the position you desire. I want it to be here. There's my arrow. I need to change the color of the arrow. I want it to be black, so I just highlight the arrow, like now it's highlighted. I come always return shape fill, then choose the black color, black. I click always return shape outline, click, then I go always return no outline. Now I want to move my arrow, come to the 4 arrows, left click continuous, then move it to the desired position. There we go. Now it's perfect. I need it to be there. Now I want to add another task box. Just click insert, click the table, highlight the number of rows and columns like that. I need my table to be smaller. Come to the square with my cursor, then 2 arrows will show up. I left click continuously, then I drag it to the desired. Then I can move my table. Then I'm gonna type T to merge the cells. Then I'm gonna highlight both the T's, highlight them like that. Then merge cells. Then task name, task name. I want it to be in the set. Highlight it, left right click, and then center. Click center. Start day. Start day. End day. End day. Task ID. Task ID. And then duration. Now I want to move my box next to the arrow, so I come to the 4 arrows, left click continuously, then move it to the left. I need it to be there. Now my box is too small, so I can enlarge it. Come here, make it smaller. I showed you how. Then I can move it again. Right there. Yeah, now they are equal. Move it a little bit backwards. There we go. Okay, now it's fine. Let's see. This is how you create the task box in a network diagram. So remember, with return task name, you're gonna type in the task name. So I'm gonna call it design. That's my task name. Start day. It's gonna start on day 1, end in day 10. The task ID will be 2 of 5, not number 5. The duration is going to be 5 days, 10 days. From day 1 to day 10, that's 10 days. It's going to be 10, like that. This is basically how you make a task box within a network diagram. See you next time.